Mae chwaraeon yn ein gwaed ni. Mae'n llifo drwy ein gweithiennau.
Kicking superstar from North Wales is the Olympic champion.
Dyma'n hunaniaeth ni.
Wales are storming to the title.
Dyma pwy ydyn ni.
I would describe myself as just really shy, and I'd only feel comfortable with speaking with some people that I know.
I wouldn't really do anything. I just literally sit at home. I had no confidence at all.
When you're used to doing things like being active and then all of a sudden you're in a wheelchair and you're like, oh my god, what am I going to do?
I have cerebral palsy. It affects my balance sometimes. I spend quite a lot of time indoors.
I was like living on a settee for months. People I was hanging around with at the time then, like I was like, they were all into like harder drugs than I was into, like, you know, and then after a while, like of hanging around with them, like I was like doing the same drugs as them, like and stuff.
Dim ots beth ydy'r cefndir ni, mae un ffaith yn sefyll. Rydyn ni eisiau gwneud mwy. Yng Ngogledd Cymru yn unig, mae mwy na 250,000 o bobl eisiau gwneud mwy o chwaraeon.
Training gets your mind off a lot of things, actually. It felt good to play basketball because it took me back to how I used to be before.
I've noticed that I'm a lot more confident.
I get quite a lot out of volunteering. I got my confidence, I got my personality. I didn't know what I wanted to do, and now I do.
When I've reached the top of a climb, it's like, yes!
I feel that it is good that I'm here, so like I'm making a difference to people's lives. I see those kids smile and I think, wow, I've done a good job there.
Street football was like, you know, helped me stop taking drugs and find myself again. Like, I represented Wales in the Homeless World Cup as the captain. I know I'm not going to be a politician or anything, like, but I believe I can lead in a football team, like, you know, as a captain, like.
Mae bod yn egnïol yn gwneud byd o wahaniaeth I fywydau pobl, ac rydyn ni'n gwybod bod chwaraeon a gweithgareddau gwych yn digwydd eisoes. Mae'n amser traws newid chwaraeon a gweithgarwch corfforol yng Ngogledd Cymru, oherwydd rydyn ni hefyd yn gwybod bod llawer mwy y gallwn ni wneud o hyd, I roi cyfle I bawb fod yn egnïol am oes. Ydych chi'n barod I chwarae eich rhan?